We have chicken feed in there.
But you scoop about a huge bucket full of chicken food. Just take it out here and throw it into all of these chickens. Some of them are inside, but these are most of them. That's a hundred. Because I didn't feel like putting any on. Come on, Mira. You ready? Actually, let me go and get it today. Can I go in? Or I'll film you doing it.
You videotape.
Go. Ready? Go. Go in. So, it's pretty struggle trying to get in here. But it's worth it. Come on, Mira. You gotta get over here and get the egg. Get off of that chicken.
What in the world?
Okay, so here's the chicken nest. There's some more eggs in there. How many eggs are in there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 eggs are in there?
I just put one in.
See them peas things, they don't like them too much.
There's like 6 eggs in this one. So we have a few more nests. Oh, look, here's another nest with 2 eggs in it. Now we're gonna go around the corner here and turn the water on. No problem. So here's a nest with 1 chicken egg in it. Not very much.
Good. There's bunches of other eggs in different nests. So look up.
We're looking, like this one doesn't have any straw in it for some reason. Must have didn't get to it. And here's another nest with 1 chicken egg in it. I'm a country. Oh my gosh! There's some feed. Chicken. More chickens.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Oh, and check inside. So sometimes we find eggs in here. And there's like 2 chickens that just hang out here. We're leaving the chicken yard now. There's a big pothole here. And that concludes the video for today. Peace.